How to add profile picture in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a profile picture on your WhatsApp. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app and make sure that you are logged in with your WhatsApp account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown on the top right corner and the pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on settings and you will be guided to the settings sections. Now tap on your name. You might already have a profile picture or it could be blank. Simply tap on the circle beside your name to proceed. Now tap on the camera icon inside the circle and a menu will pop up giving you two options, camera or gallery. If you choose camera, you will need to take a photo right away. But if you have already taken a picture, you can simply select gallery and find the image you want to use as a profile picture. And once you have chosen a picture, you can adjust it by moving it up or down and zooming in or out. And when it's positioned the way you like, simply tap on done button and your WhatsApp profile picture will be updated instantly. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.